Hello, hello, and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you today by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we are in a ground floor apartment here on the golf course on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And as you can see, maybe it starts to blossom. It starts to become greener. So I'm actually pretty positive that this will fly and we will hopefully soon see our Jack Nicklaus signature golf course back on track. So welcome back to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today I'm going to show you a two-bed ground floor apartment here in the block 16 in the Penthouse development. So you see the ground floor here. It's quite a nice garden, well appointed. As you can see, there's lots of outside furniture. The owners just have invested quite a nice set of outside furnishing. Seeing here we go again, sorry, slight hiccup again with the internet today through Facebook. So they have invested here in new furnishing, outside furnishing, lounges. Here is a kind of a chill out set. We have over here, sorry, too quick, the dining table with chairs and the sunshade. So that's quite well equipped, I would say. And you might say, well, Rupert, what's going on here? Because this property is closed. Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you in a second. Just need to turn around the air conditioner, the remote control. Here we go. They have also invested in a shutter, which is electric, automatic, whatever. And this allows later on to store all the outside furniture behind this aluminium shutter, which I think, because it provides a lot of storage, it's not disturbing at all whilst you're here, and when it's closed and you're gone, it's closed and gone. No? So it's white, it's not disturbing the facade, I hope. So I think that's quite a clever move to say. And as it's going up and down automatically, well, electrically, so I think that's really an asset. Seen that? Pretty funny thing. I've never seen this before here on site, even electric. So we are back to a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. It's reference 3621 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are just facing the golf course, so we are first line golf. I know that this has a special appeal to many people, but it makes a big difference. And as you can see, there's just the park area beside over there, so with some children playground and all that. And the neighbors as well did a nice work here and put kind of a winter garden here in front of their terrace. Also a nice thing to do, not bad. Okay, so having said that, let's walk into the property and let me show you this beautiful place, the inside. As most of the properties we are presenting here in our virtual open houses, also this property is sold as seen with all the furnishing included in the asking price of only 85,000 euros, which is in my opinion quite a fair value for a ground floor penthouse. We're in block 15, means we are pretty close to the Kasar commercial center, as well as we are close to the golf course, which means that we are between the 2 points of interest, to say, in the resort, which is on the one side, obviously, the Jack Nicklaus signature golf course, and on the other side as well, it's the Kasar commercial center, which is also the social hub on site now, where you find many restaurants, bars, hairdresser, furniture shop, supermarket, all under one roof, to say. And I think that's quite a good location here, because you will hardly need a car. Kitchen-wise, as you can see, installed a dishwasher, oven, cooker, extractor fan, microwave, toaster, kettle, you name it, we have it. And as well a fridge, freezer. What we don't see is the water filter, but as you know, buying a property through Quality Homes Costa Calida, you will get this water filter fitted in your kitchen, which saves water and plastic and is good as well for the environment. So, having said that, the property is high therein. Looking forward to see you next week. Happy days. So here we go. This is a view from the kitchen through the living room out to the terrace and the golf course. So I think it can hardly get better on site. It's quite a nice view here. Okay, let's continue to see the master bedroom, which has as well direct access to the terrace, as we see out there. We just passed by this area. And this is now the master bedroom. As we said, the property is sold as seen with the furnishing which we see included. Both bedrooms are fitted with fitted wardrobes, as well as we have air conditioning in the living room, in the master bedroom. And now the second bedroom, here we go. I don't know, I'm always with the 3 bedrooms today. It's obviously a 2-bedroom apartment. Here we see again the second bedroom, fitted wardrobe, as well as another air conditioning unit here, fitted. Internet has an issue, you say?
Yeah.
Aha, I'm pretty stable here. Okay. Oops. Okay, so let's continue. We're here in the bathroom. Maybe we turn on an additional light here. This just makes noise and it's not doing any light. Fine. So that's good. Here we go. Bathtub, glass shower screen, rubered mirror, and apart from that, all other mod cons for a bathroom. Well, what else can we say, no? Here we go again. Back to the living area. I'll show it to you from this side. As we see here as well, air conditioning. So we have 3 air conditioning units. We have all the outside furniture. We have the electric blind. So there's quite a lot of stuff here already installed, and which also adds value to the property, no? Because this is all investment which has already been done and which provides that kind of, there is not a big deal now to invest in addition because it's all here already. So this would be a place, just arrive, bring your suitcase and move in. So there's hardly anything else to do. I hope you guys can follow me. I have no idea what's going on because here seems all to be pretty stable without changes, what I can't believe. So I hope Facebook is doing its job as well and makes sure that we are transmitting properly. Anna, what are we continuing or is it's fine? Oh, okay, doke. So, as we said, the property is sold as seen, asking price €85,000. Reference on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostarcalida.com, is 3621, Penthouse Block 15, ground floor. I think it's a nice apartment, it's well appointed, it's in a very good location. Price-wise, obviously, we are talking penthouse, we are talking ground floor, we are talking block 15. So there are several aspects which allow the price of €85,000, which is still a steal to say. And also maybe you know that prices on site have not increased for the last 12 years. So I reckon soon there will be a price explosion, because otherwise it's not defendable anymore that we only charge €85,000 for a property, which in other resorts should fetch at least 110, 120. So I think this maybe also has to do with the golf course. So maybe once the golf course is open, then comes the moment when we see the massive price hike. Honestly, I'm waiting for it. And I think it's not only me, there will be many people, because actually the resort is, in my opinion, undervalued. So for the prices which we achieve at the moment, you wouldn't get a lot in other areas. So seeing the apartment, seeing the resort in best condition, I think it's really a matter of time that these values are adjusted to reality. Having said that, for all owners on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, maybe you know that this weekend the AGMs are taking place. So please use your vote and decide about the future of the resort. There are certain questions within the AGM to be discussed and to be voted on. So they're talking about several things. So please, if you're an owner on site, don't hesitate and go and vote for the things, because otherwise the community will do what the majority wants. No? So please don't complain afterwards. Okay, going back to the master bedroom, as well fitted here we see with the television, with air conditioning in both bedrooms, as we said, and as furnished as seen. Fitted wardrobes as well over here, air conditioning just on top here of the door. These air conditionings are all using the pre-installation, which goes on the rooftop, which means that you don't have the noisy compressor outside. It's on the rooftop and it's connected through piping and wiring, which goes through the entire block. So there is no disturbing in your free time on the terrace, because the noisy compressors are sitting on the rooftop. Hence, the rooftop is not transitable at the end of the day, because they're mainly technical installations up there, so there is no rooftop terrace on these blocks. Coming back to this apartment, it's reference 3621 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And the asking price, as we said, is only 85,000 euros. In case you want to see this or any other apartment or property you find on our webpage, just drop us a line on to info@qualityhomescostacalida.com. As well, you can call us on 0034 868 619 319. In case you have any question or doubt, just put it down at the bottom of the screen, and me and my team will be happy to answer your questions either during our show or shortly afterwards. So let's go back on the main terrace just to see again what's going on here on the golf course. We are slightly limited with our radios as the internet connections are pretty good inside, but they are obviously limited on the outside. So this means I can hardly go further than that, and I'm sure that Facebook soon will tell me that we have a weak connection. So let's see, just to show you the surrounding here again. Orientation-wise, this apartment is facing southwest, means that we get the sun as of early midday until the sun goes down. And now I don't see anything because I'm reflecting myself. Okay, there we go. This is then the outside of this place. And let me show you this apartment, how it looks like. Here we go. Obviously the for sale board needs to be there to inform people about this unique opportunity. So, having seen all that, I will walk now through the property and show you the entrance situation with the car park. So, again, reference 3621 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking price 85,000 euros. And here we go. This is now the entrance situation over here. Sorry. And as we can see, there are marked car parks under roof, and some are under Spanish sun. Ground floor apartments and top floor apartments do get their car park under the roof. So in this case, as it's a ground floor apartment as well, the parking spot is also under roof, which is quite handy. Keeps the car also cool in summer, as well as clean. So I think that's quite an asset. Here we see some community gardens, and this is now the entrance to the apartment. As you can see, massive security door. That's quite a thick thing, you know. There we go, with several security bolts. So normally it's easier to access these apartments through the windows in case you need to access them, because the door is nearly unbreakable. So let's close this again. The property is fitted with 3 air conditionings, but we know by experience that, especially in the penthouses, due to their position, it's very easy to cross-air them instead of using the air conditioning. You might need the air conditioning during night to find sleep, but it's not really necessary during the day because they're really very easy to cross-ventilate. So first of all, try it out before you turn it on, especially in summer. Oops, what's going on here? Anna! Who's that? Who could this be?
Maybe we have a viewer?
We have a viewer?
Oh, we're Rupert.
What's going on?
What's this? Hello. Hello. Oh.
Hello! What's that? Hi-ho! Okay, guys, we didn't expect that, but this is now...
Welcome, Sonia.
Welcome, Sonia, from the Clover. And this is the new pizza.
Thank you very much.
I don't know if you know this. Wow, hey, we're getting pizza now. The Clover has just installed a new pizza oven. Come on, let me see the pizza. They have installed a new pizza oven, and we were talking about the other day that we want to try the pizza.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
My Jesus, wow.
Wow.
Whoa. This
They are
is
silly.
A feast box, oh my God.
But have a look at the pizza.
Who else is coming?
I don't know, but this pizza looks great. Well, guys,
You have something to do with this?
Marcello, I think you are behind that, no? Special delivery, he says. Yeah. So, well then, let me introduce to you the new pizza service.
Who wants to join us?
Who wants to join us now for a pizza? So
Come and join us.
come and join us now. We are Penthouse 1507. The ones who are on site, please pop over. We have some pizza here.
Rupert, you know how it tastes?
No,
It tastes like on the cruise ship.
it tastes like on the cruise ship.
On the Costa cruise ship.
Really? Let me try.
Dough is exactly
Let me try.
Wow.
Okay, guys. Well, as you can see, we're now having pizza. I like it. So, well, now we have to do some. Now we have to say yes. Please call the Clover. Give them a bell. Order your pizza. They're also delivering the pizza, or you can pick it up there. And I like it.
Thank you guys.
Big time. Thank you ever so much. So in case you want to eat pizza, the Clover has just introduced a new pizza delivery service and production service. We saw the pizza oven going in, yeah, and Marcello helped them to get the pizza oven in. So, but I'm gobsmacked. Sorry, I'm trying the pizza now. I know you need to say something. I'm just eating.
Me too.
Oh, you too. Okay, I think we shouldn't do that, right?
Guys, I think you need to come and join us. We need help.
Yeah.
We have too much food.
So please, whoever's around, please pass by Penthouse 1507. We have some pizza for you. And it's delicious.
It really is.
You wouldn't believe it. It's really delicious.
It tastes like on the Italian cruise ship.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, guys, as we said, we're here eating pizza today on
With 25 degrees in February.
Yes, actually, we have 25 degrees outside. It's February, and we enjoy a fantastic time. Yes, it is yummy. You wouldn't believe it. Okay, and Marcello is just putting a special offer on free pizza for a month for the buyers of Penthouse 1507. Yes, that's a very good idea.
I'll remind you of that, Marcello. We'll put that in the contract.
We'll put that in the contract. So we have here an apartment, reference 3621, asking price 85,000 euros, comes with a month of free pizza delivered from, or you pick it up at the Clover pub. So, okay, I think we should eat now some pizza. No, you're not paying, Chris. We pay for that. Is that a vegan pizza? Paul, I don't know.
I'm sure the Clover is catering.
But
It's
I'm pretty
capable of
sure,
catering for
yes,
vegans,
I'm pretty sure that
gluten-free,
the
all
Clover
other-
can cater for that,
and
yes.
all other,
This specific one, the cheese tastes really, well, is it okay to say the cheese tastes cheesy?
It tastes like real cheese.
It
yes.
tastes like real cheese.
Yes,
It doesn't
yes.
taste cheesy, no? This
no.
sounds cheesy, no?
Yes. Okay, Rupert. I think we should.
I think we should come to an end now to our pizza. So, well, this was the first Quality Homes Costa Calida virtual pizza eating activity. I'm looking forward to more pizzas maybe in the future, but. Okay.
guys.
Well, guys, it was a pleasure to have you around. Reference 3621 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And most important, try the pizza from the Clover. It's really great. And they don't even pay us for that, no? It's amazing. Thank you very much. Have fun. See you next week. Okie doke. Bye. Take care.